How's it going, guys? We're going to go ahead and do an Android tutorial on Storage Cleaner Junk Cleaner. It is ranked number 3 on the tools section of the Play Store, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. Once you install it, this is what it looks like here. Now, this is the first time I'm opening it, so I haven't used it before. This is the way I like to do reviews, using it first time. So as you can see here, we got Phone Boost. We got antivirus. We got a WhatsApp cleaner. Now, I don't use WhatsApp, so I'm sorry, guys, we won't be able to try that one out. We got a battery saver, a photos clean, which I won't use because I don't want to share my photos for privacy reasons. And we'll try the Wi-Fi security. And it looks like they have more stuff here. So let's go ahead and start. There's actually a big clean button up here, which we're going to go ahead and hit that first. All right. So far, it's pretty easy to use. It says cleanup failed. So make sure you get your permissions done. So we're going to go ahead and hit fix it here. We have to go ahead and give it permission. There it goes. Now it'll clean it. Now this is I've only had this phone for about a month, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to clean too much. And there it is. It cleaned half a gig. Half a gig it cleaned up. Dang. So I recommend this app if you want to clean up your phone real quick. It'll do that. Oh, wait. Is it still going? Oh, wait. We need to fix another thing. What's it doing? Hang in here with me. Scan more junk files thoroughly. I hit fix it, but it's going into some weird... I guess we'll use this folder. Allow. There we go. Now let's see what it does. Now, here's the first ad. Here's the problem with this app. You will get ads. We're going to go ahead and hit close. I'm going to use my mouse so you guys see where I'm hitting on the screen. I'm using my phone, and this is for Android, but I'll use my mouse just to make it easier for you guys to see where I'm hitting on the screen. All right, we're going to go back. If it lets us. Okay. Why is it telling us we can't go back? Let's hit clean again, I guess. There it goes. Optimized. Okay. So here's another list. Let's try the phone. Well, let's go to the very beginning. I like to be at the very beginning. No, I'm not going to add it to home screen. All right, so we just did the big button. Let's go ahead and try Phone Boost now. And supposedly, I think it probably stops a lot of apps that are running. There we go. And here's another ad. So the problem with this app, it's free, so you're going to see a lot of ads. And they do last for a while. As we can tell, it's going. And let's see when it stops. It's probably a 30-second, 20-second ad here. All right. Can we exit out of it? Usually, there we go. Now we hit this little arrows. No. Hit the X. All right, we're back. All right. Let's go back to the main screen. Now let's look at the antivirus. I got a feeling they're going to charge us for that one. Oh, no, there it goes. What do you know? You guys are going to see all my apps. There it goes. There it goes. I guess it's just checking all the apps to make sure they're not viruses. Oh, no. This is bullcrap. Why would they put an ad showing viruses? Just hit on the X right here, guys. Oh, no. Seriously? That's ridiculous. Oh, no. I hate this crap. I'm going to give this app bad reviews because of this crap. You know what I would do? I would install it just to use the tools real quick and then uninstall it. That's what I would do, because that's bull crap. People are going to fall for that. Whenever the ad pops up saying you have viruses, it's not real, guys. Don't fall for that. We're not using the WhatsApp cleaner because I don't have it. Let's go to the battery saver and see what that does. Power saving complete. Now here's another stupid ad. Oh my god. Alright, we gotta wait for it. I think we just gotta hit close up here. There we go. Alright, let's go back to the main menu. All right. Let's go ahead and try the Wi-Fi security. And it just checks for phishing, DNS, and all that good stuff. All right, it says optimize. Now we got another stupid ad. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's go back to the main menu. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the toolkit here. All right, phone overview. It'll tell you what available storage you have, RAM. Let's go ahead and hit accelerate, see what that does. Everything looks good. We already did that. But every time you use a feature on this app, we're going to see here the freaking ads pop up. And you have to wait till the end till you see an X up here or little arrows, as we can tell. And here it goes again. We got to wait for a little arrow or an X. There we go. Let's go back to the main menu again. Hit X here. All right, speaker cleaner. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. So if your speaker is not as loud as before, this is what you use. As you can tell, see that? My phone is vibrating and doing some weird stuff. Supposedly that cleans it. And here we have another stupid ad. Okay, let's exit out of there. Exit out of here. Exit out of here. All right. What's next? We got the WhatsApp cleaner, the TikTok cleaner. I don't use those, but you guys feel free to go ahead and check those out. More file cleaner. Okay, you can go in here and clean that out. You can go through everything. Let's go back. Come on. Notification cleaner. Let's go ahead and hit open and see what that does. Storage cleaner. We got to go down to storage cleaner and turn it on. It needs a permission here. Allow. Okay. And it's not working. All right. And I guess you could set up auto cleaning here too with the premium version, so you have to pay for that bad boy. But it looks like we can get a little sneak peek. You could tell it when to clean. That's pretty cool. With the premium version, if it doesn't have ads and you could tell it when to clean, I would make it clean it daily. But yeah, that's cool. Just for the heck of it, let's see what the premium costs. So 1 year, 365 days for $40. Okay. If you guys like it, there's be no ads, auto cleaning, and feet. Okay, you got customer service, it looks like. For $40 a year, if you guys are okay with that, that's what you can do. Right now, it's the top ranked app, so I got a feeling a lot of people are paying for it. You can also set a wallpaper. There's a quick cleaning function to the home screen. Screen components. You can do widget stuff with it. Permission management, we already did all that. Other temperature unit. Oh, wow. Oh, put it to Fahrenheit. That's what I use. Cool, cool. And it looks like that's about it, guys. I gotta rate this thing because it's free. It seems to work pretty good. The tools work, and they're pretty handy. However, the ads, man. I would rank this thing 4 if it wasn't for the ads being so... I'm going to rank it at 3 out of 5 because of the ads. Now, if you really need to use it for an emergency, download it, use all the tools, uninstall it immediately. That's what I recommend you guys do. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next Android review video.